Animation course of SufiVoice.com. Lesson 4, First 3D Animation. So this can be done in two ways, from the default menu, or you can also go to prepare. Okay, in prepare, go for character actions. Okay, now here in the previous class I have showed you how to make the character set. So we'll once again make the character stand. Okay, so now it is in standing positions. In the same way, we'll also make the second character to stand. Right. So now both of them are standing. Now we can give different moods to this character. Like say suppose you want to give a happy mood to the character. Okay. Now to give a happy mood to the character, already the initial mood is happy. Now say suppose you want a strong mood to be given to the character. So what you have to do, you have to click on this. So once you click on this, you have different modes here. See, these are all modes. Okay, like say suppose I want a conversation type of mode. Okay, so I will select this conversation one and I'll say okay. And in the similar way, in order to have uh, second thing, you'll have conversation two. Right, but we need to record them. We need to record this moments. Okay, so where you will see this moments means go to tools, click on this timeline. Now here we need to record the actions. Once the actions get recorded, then we can use them. Okay, otherwise this actions will not be seen. So let us select the first character, go to prepare, go to actions. Okay, conversation one. Okay, so here go to tools, tools, timeline. Okay, so let us see if we have done this. Yeah, so here what you can do is you can catch, like say suppose conversation one you want to record. First click on record, then click on this conversation. Okay, now stop the recording. Now if you've like if you can play this now, it is recorded. Okay, as if the person is trying to say something. Okay, the similar manner, click the second character, go to prepare actions. Okay, now click on this a different one. Now here we'll record this one. Okay, so this lady's conversation gesture. So click on record, then click on conversation 2. So stop. So like this, what we have done, we have added actions to the character. Okay, now these actions have to be set. Already the actions are recorded, but we need to set the actions. You cannot have the two people talking at a time, so it has to be organized. So how to organize it? Go to timeline, and in the timeline, okay, now you see, like if I play this, it plays in a random way. Okay, so first, yeah, sometimes it will be a little messy. Okay, now this person is talking. Okay, so we have to adjust this. It has to be dragged where to the point where the animation gets completed. Okay, now you will see that the person is trying to say something, hand movements, and then the lady is reacting to what he has said. Okay, so you can also increase or decrease the duration of the action. So I don't want this lengthy, so I can make it uh, shorter one. Okay, so like this, you can work on with the action part of it. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to a little bit change the direction so that it looks more natural and realistic. Okay, so we'll turn the character like this, as if they both are getting into a conversation. Okay, so we need to be a little careful about the distance. Okay, otherwise they will hit each other. Now what we'll do is till here we'll see how it's going to be animated. Okay, okay, so yeah, so first we'll have a preview. So Okay, so that was a little bit to create our first 3D animation. Okay, in order to create, give and make an animation, now you have to click on this make video. So once you click on this make video, okay, so this is where you can store the file. So I'll say actions. Okay, give a name, valid name to the file which you want to store and the destination where you want to store. So click on save, and now it is generating MP4 video file of our animation. So depending upon the length of the file, it may take some time. Generally, lengthy files to be coded. If the duration is more, it takes time. It again depends upon the processor and the available RAM capacity in the system. So you can see parallelly how the animation is happening. So that will be the end result. But only drawback with this is you will get a watermark in the video. So like Moviezoo will be there in the corner of the video since it is a trial version. So whatever the videos we generate will get this watermark in the video. So we are done with 15%. In today's lesson, we had learned how to add a setting, okay, how to work with more than two characters, okay, and we had also created our first 3D animation.